Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. Um, I've been working on the donor motor some of this morning. I had to take a break after I broke some tools to just kind of vent a bit and get some lawn work done because there's leaves everywhere. Um, yeah, so there's the gaping hole where the engine should be. There's the donor motor, and there's the broken off bolt in the crankshaft of the donor motor. What had happened here was originally we got all the rest of the bolts off without issue. And then this one, it broke off. We drilled into it with an extractor. The tip of that broke off in there. So I'm stuck drilling through extractor and bolt to try and get it out. What happened? I broke my smallest left-handed drill bit, which sucks because that's like tungsten carbide. It was like $25 for the set of drill bits. So I broke the smallest one, and also flattened my spike for your starting point. Like you just put your spike where you want to drill, hammer it a few times, and it puts a little indentation in there, and that's where you drill. So I flattened the edge of that. I figure I've made enough progress with the larger drill bits that I could probably get a new. I can't remember the name of that spike thing. Pick up a new one of those and kind of pick up with where I left off, but that'd be another day. But I got high hopes for the build. I think right now the plan is to strip all the plastics out of the interior again, AC delete, and once I get the the compressor and the all that system out of the way, that's all that. That's the only reason the core support is there, is to support the air conditioning. And then so I would rip all that off, and then the donor motor just swings right in. So of course I'm living the race car life, buying more parts than I can even install. Z1's Black Friday sale does have, like, I picked up their oil pan spacer, so I think it increases oil capacity like 3/4 of a quart, something like that. I have an oil cooler to go on. I'm just looking to increase the capacity with this as well, just to make sure those temps are super low. I got their race suspension package. So, quick rundown. It is front upper control arms, rear traction arms, and also the rear camber arms. All good quality pieces. Lightweight aluminum arms. I'm super impressed with the quality of them all. So for, I think they were $511 with a free race upgrade. So like that's normally like what, like a $40 upgrade? Instead of urethane bushings, you get like solid bushings for better performance. And also this here says offset eccentric bolt elimination. It's like for the zeroing out the toe in the rear. Because I'm not getting rid of those big clunky spring buckets. Like I don't think they're quite as heavy as people make them out to be. Like they're aluminum. I just don't see the point in spending that much extra for rear toe arms. So yeah, I'll be saving for a set of OEM style coilovers. And maybe catch up with all the parts I'm buying, get them all together, get the car on the road, and have a good time. Not that I'm bored of my new daily. It's a little 6-speed Versa. But it's like the Versa is like, it's kind of fun to drive. Like it's a whole lot lighter than the Z, but it doesn't have that driver feel. It doesn't have that, that excitement. It's like comparing, like a butcher knife to like, like a precision tool or instrument, something along those lines. Like the Z just has that X factor to it, or Z factor for all you enthusiasts out there. But yeah, definitely check out the deals going on around there, or if there's something you think I need to buy for my build, definitely feel free to leave me a comment in the section below. Until next time, everyone. All right, keep it real.